hair from a company called OOZZ, and they were kind enough to send me a 20-inch closure and 3 bundles of 22 inches, and that is what I've got in today. If you'd like to find out a little bit more about the hair and how I'm finding it so far, then please keep on watching. So like I said, this hair was sent to me by a company called OOZZ, and they are a UK-based company, which is why I was drawn to them when they contacted me, because I don't know if you guys have noticed, I don't really review that much hair on my channel anymore because I'm being a bit more selective about what I post on my channel now. So when I saw this company was UK based, of course I wanted to support them because obviously I'm from the UK as well, so I just really like supporting fellow UK based companies. This company, just a little bit about them, they basically sell wigs, hair extensions, face masks, and everything is at an affordable price, which is another bonus about this company. The prices are really affordable, but I'll leave the link to their website and everything down below. So now onto this hair. This hair that they sent me is their 8A Mink Virgin 100% unprocessed Brazilian body wave hair. Oh, that was a mouthful. Basically, because this hair is virgin, it's unprocessed, the cuticles are all facing the same direction, which means that you're going to get minimal shedding and tangling, if any at all. So that again is a great bonus because virgin hair is basically the best quality hair that you can get, and this is virgin hair. And the price of this bundle deal, the 3 bundles and the closure, is actually very, very reasonable and affordable. And seeing as it's in the UK, you don't have to wait 10 million years to receive it either. So that again is a big bonus. Like I said as well, this hair is Mink, and Mink basically just means that the company has selected hair from donors with really soft, thick and healthy hair. As you guys can see, this hair is super thick and it is very soft as well, so that is definitely true. So yeah, when I first received this hair, it only took a few days to come, maybe 3 or 4 days, so shipping was quite fast. All of the bundles and the closure were wrapped in this really cute, simple, clear packaging, and I was really happy because the packaging actually had labels which said body wave 22 inches on it, and because I work with hair a lot, it was so nice to actually just have packaging that says what it is, so I don't have to open it and check. So that was really handy for me as well. As you guys can see here, this hair was so soft and bouncy. It looks absolutely amazing. When I took it out of the packaging, I was just so impressed with how nice and uniform it all looked. The bundles are thick and flat, so they're not bulky, and the ends of the hair are super healthy as well. So that's kind of what it looked like when I opened it, and there was no funny smell, no foul odor or anything of the sort. The hair actually smelled really nice and fresh and clean, and just a nice subtle new hair smell. So that was really nice too. Okay, so I'm going to just talk about shedding and tangling and that kind of stuff. Where shedding is concerned, obviously this hair is 100% unprocessed hair, so you're not really going to get much shedding. When I run my fingers through the hair, I usually don't really get anything. If I do, it will never be more than 2 strands. So just now I got nothing at all. So on a scale of 1 to 10, where shedding is concerned, I probably give shedding a 1 out of 10, 10 being the worst because it's basically non-existent. It's very, very rare. So onto tangling again, I can run my fingers through this hair all day long and get nothing, literally. I can just run my fingers through it. It's so soft, and so even though it's thick and full, it's really, really light and airy, and you kind of feel like you don't have anything. But yeah, where tangling is concerned, I'd also have to give tangling a 1 out of 10, 10 being the worst because it doesn't tangle, guys. It's just so soft and nice. So onto thickness. Now this is 3 bundles and a closure. Like I said, 20-inch closure and 3 bundles, 22 inches. And as you guys can see, this hair is so full and thick. For 3 bundles of hair, I feel like this is amazing. I'd have to give thickness a 9.5 out of 10, 10 being the best because this hair is super, super thick and it doesn't feel heavy either. So that again is a plus. So just to round up, if you're somebody that doesn't like shedding and you like hair that is thick and full and doesn't tangle, this hair is definitely for you. One thing I will say though is that if you're making a wig, don't double the wefts. You don't actually need to double them because the hair is thick and full on its own, and if you've only got 3 bundles, it might not be enough to go all the way around. So just make sure that you sew the wefts just naturally, in the single stage, so that you have enough to complete your wig. So that's just a little tip from me. So this texture, like I said, is body wave hair, and I absolutely love it. I never actually wear my hair in a body wave state ever because I'm not really the biggest fan, but this was so nice. And in order to define the body wave, you can just put it in braids or just use a waver just to define it a bit more. But this is basically how it looks naturally, and it is so nice, and I just love this sort of wavy beachy look. The ends of the hair are super healthy, no split ends, no dry ends, and it just feels so soft. It actually feels like silk. That's how soft it is. And usually wavy hair, curly hair is a bit a bit rougher and a bit more difficult to handle, but this one is not like that. This is probably the best body wave hair that I've ever been given to review, so I'm just super, super happy with that. This is what the lace looks like. All I've done is put foundation, guys. Haven't bleached the knots or anything, and this is how natural it looks because the lace is it's not too thick, so it just lays really flat and it's really easy to and make look natural. Also, another thing, the closure blends so well with the rest of the hair. Sometimes when you get a closure and bundles and you get them together, it doesn't actually blend with the bundles, but this is not the case. Like, this blends like flawlessly, so I love that about this as well. But yeah, overall I'm super happy with the hair. And another thing I wanted to let you guys know is that this company have a 3-month guarantee, which means that within 3 months of getting your hair, if you're experiencing like matting or shedding to a degree that you're not happy with, then they will be happy to take the hair and fix it for you, or they will just replace the hair altogether. So this is basically risk-free, because you have 3 months to really wear the hair and to ensure that you're happy with it overall. So that again is a great plus, because I don't really know any other companies, or at least not any UK companies, that have this kind of guarantee. So again, that is really great if you're somebody that's a bit skeptical, or you just want to make sure that you get your money's worth. So yeah, that is basically this video, guys. OOZZ was kind enough to give me a 10% off code for you guys, and the code is precious10. So if you type that in at checkout, you'll get 10% off your order. So thank you so much to OOZZ for giving us this discount. It is so generous of them, and you guys get to save some money as well. But yeah, that is the end of this video, guys. I believe I've covered everything. If you've got any comments or questions or anything you'd like to ask me, then please just leave it down below and I'll get back to you guys. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.